Close your eyes. Breathe in deeply. Let it all go. For the next few minutes, you don't need to be anywhere else. Just here. Just now. I want to tell you a story about a drop of water. This drop believed it was separate, believed it was alone, fighting for survival in the vast, chaotic ocean. It spent its life trying to remain separate, protecting its boundaries, afraid of dissolving, afraid of losing itself. Until one day, something shifted. The drop realized it wasn't just in the ocean. It was the ocean. And in that moment, everything changed. The fear dissolved, the loneliness dissolved, the struggle dissolved. You are that drop, and you are about to remember. You are the ocean. We are one. We are one, not separate, never separate. There is enough. There is enough for everyone, for all of us. Feel it now, not with your mind, but with something deeper. The thread connecting you to every living being, to every breath on this planet, to the earth itself. We are one breath, one heartbeat, one consciousness, experiencing itself through billions of eyes. Repeat these words. Let them vibrate through your being. I am the change. I am the change, not someday, now. Every thought I think, every word I speak, ripples out into the ocean we all share. And at the deepest level, feel this truth. Love is what I am. Love is what I am. Not something I have, but what I am. We are one. There is enough. I am the change. Love is what I am. We are one. There is enough. I am the change. Love is what I am. Begin to feel your body again. Notice something has changed. You're returning to form, but you carry the memory of formlessness. Deepen your breath gently, no rush. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. And when you're ready, only when you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. You're not the same person who began, you've remembered. You are the ocean, not the drop. You are whole. Carry this into your day, into your life, into the world. You are the change this planet has been waiting for. Thank you for being here. Thank you for remembering. Namaste.